Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose an empty paper pumpkin kit box to hold the new Stampin' Up! Blender brushes. Not only is this quick and easy, but also you have sturdy storage using just a few materials found in your stash. So let's get started. This is my box, and then when you open it, you can see that it holds 5 blender brushes. I saw this idea somewhere, I'm not exactly sure where. It's not my idea, and there were no instructions, but I decided to see if I could figure them out on my own. And here's the paper pumpkin box, and you can see that I've decorated the front and the sides and the back. And this is the Flowers and More Designer Series paper that's free with any $50 order during celebration. Now to form this holder to hold the blender brushes, you're going to need 2 sheets of cardstock. And with these 2 sheets of cardstock, you're going to score them at 2, 3, 4, 5 1/2, 6 1/4, and 7. I'm going to move this out of the way. Now on this piece, I've already scored them. I'm going to score this one on camera so you can see exactly what to do. And this is basically like a mountain valley fold. Remember, you're going to need 2 pieces. Now, I'm going to go back. This one, I'll fold up. This one, I'll fold down. Okay, here we go. This one, I'll fold up. This one, I'll fold down. And then what I like to do is on the back, go back and give them a good crease again. Here's this one. Okay. Now this is what you should have. Next, what I want to do is I want these to stay closed. So I'm going to flip them on the back and just add adhesive. And I'm just going to lay it down and pinch it close so it'll stay. Then I want to do this side again. I'm using a Stampin' Seal Plus, which gives me a good hold. Okay, this one is done. So I'm going to bring in this one. I'm going to repeat the same process here. Close it. And then here. And close it. And then you can go back and go across the front. Alright, then you bring in your empty box. Here's another one of my empty boxes. So, I'll lay this down. Now you can add adhesive to the bottom of this, but with my measurements, it fits pretty snug, so it's not gonna come out. So there's one. And then I'm just going to add this one on top. And then there you have it. And then your blender brushes will fit right on the inside. And then you can just close this like so. Now, to decorate the inside, the top, and the sides, the measurements are for the top and inside, you want to cut your Designer Series paper at 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. Then for the sides, these are cut at 9 5/8 by 1 3/4. I'm sorry, that's for the front and back. These are cut at 9 5/8 by 1 3/4. Excuse me, I have a slight cold. And then the sides are 6 1/4 by 1 3/4. So the sky's the limit as to how you want to decorate these. And then you can stack and store them. This makes it very portable to take somewhere if you're going somewhere and you want to bring your blender brushes to blend with. You have a nice steady box, storage box to store them in. So I hope that you give this a try. And again, the measurements are 2 pieces of cardstock that are cut at 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 1/2 inches, 6 1/4 inches, and 7 inches. And the cardstock pieces need to be 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. I hope you like this project. I hope you can put it to good use and repurpose something that you already have in your stash. Thank you for stopping by. If you ever want to see more of my projects, you can visit me at www.peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube, as well as Pinterest. Thank you for stopping by. Happy stamping.